Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Grand Vitara's head unit capabilities. This dictates the connection path. Once done, plug a high-quality USB cable into the phone and the car or open Bluetooth pairing. Make sure your phone's permissions for location and microphone are granted so voice and navigation work. If your model supports Android Auto or CarPlay, select that mode on the screen. Otherwise, choose Bluetooth or AUX. This gets the system ready and moves us straight into pairing and app setup. Next, you connect and configure YouTube for vehicle use. If using Android Auto or CarPlay, launch the compatible media interface and pick YouTube Music or a browser-based player. For direct streaming via Bluetooth or AUX, start playback on your phone and control audio from the phone. Set stream quality to 480p 720p to avoid buffering on mobile data. Once the app is playing, adjust volume and audio routing in car settings, and make sure background audio or casting is enabled if you want continuous playback while navigating. To finish, test everything while parked. Issue voice commands, check that navigation prompts override media, and verify audio balance. If playback drops or stutters, first inspect the USB cable and try a different port, then disable aggressive battery optimization on your phone and repair Bluetooth. Make sure the head unit firmware and phone OS are current. If problems persist, reboot the head unit or reinstall YouTube. This usually resolves driver or cache issues and gets you back to smooth in-car viewing and audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.